Mr. Minister?
Prime Minister, the students and the Ministry of Education staff, the teachers were quite heartbroken to know about what happened in Vanuatu with regard to the effect of the Cyclone Pam. And therefore, they decided to raise some funds for the students of Vanuatu so that to assist in their own little way. So the students and the teachers and the Ministry of Education staff collected $154,900 for students of Vanuatu, Prime Minister. So we would appreciate if you could hand over this to our Vanuatu MP.
Thank you, Minister. Your Excellency.
Thank you, sir.
A little contribution from the students and teachers of Fiji.
Thank you, sir.
For the students of Vanuatu who were affected by the cyclone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, can I first of all reiterate our thank you to you. Fiji is always not only our next door neighbor, but our big brother in a way. Thank you for your sympathy, solidarity. And the Minister has briefed me. I will put a label on this. This is for schools, and I will transfer it. And thank you, sir. I have the opportunity also for your engineers who have contributed in the same thing. They've fixed our schools.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
you, Prime Minister.
you. Thank you. Thank you. As members of the press will know, our team is still in Vanuatu, led by the Commissioner Western, to assist in the disaster that had fallen Vanuatu in the last couple of weeks. They've been asked by the Vanuatu people to stay back for another month to help assist them in the recovery. But I was taken back when the minister said that they had collected some money from schools to give to the students of Vanuatu. And I was, of course, surprised at the amount of money that they have raised. And I was quite emotional when I think of the initiative and the will to give freely from students and, of course, parents for the students in Vanuatu. Thank you again, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Thank you.